Hello, this is Larry Tentarelli with Blue Chip Daily Trend Report. Today we're going to take a look at Intel, big breakout that we've got here. And I'm going to take a look at the longer term chart and I'll discuss with you what I think the potential is for this chart. So we'll start with the stock Intel. It closed today. It's January 14th, closed at 48.72. And we can see this showed up on the new 52-week high list. So I want to take a look back just for a minute. So last week, so we've got a position here in Intel. So we'll start with how we covered it last week, January 7th. I made it the chart of the day, best idea for our subscribers pre-market. So we'll take a look at the chart. So this was 9:06 a.m., January 7th. I made it the chart of the day, best idea, but let's take a look at the chart. So it was trading at $40.52. And my comments here, it's trading over 5 daily moving averages. 4 are rising, pending a bullish 10-day, 20-day moving average cross. So we can see it was trading over all the moving averages. The 10-day and the 20-day were equal, just getting ready to cross to the upside, back over the 50-day, back over the 200-day. So this was the chart last 7 days ago, so last Wednesday. So right after I made it the chart of the day, I opened a new position. So 9:37, I posted that I was making a new buy in Intel. And then we'll take a look up the chart, up the screen. We paid $41.07. And then here's what the chart looked like just after the buy. So it was getting some upside momentum. The 10-day, if you look here, the 10-day did cross the 20-day to the upside, and it was leading early up 4%. So decent call, good call on chart of the day, good entry point on the buy. But now if we take a look at where the stock is just over the past week, so that was January 7, which is going to put us at this green bar right here on the chart. Strong day that day, a little bit of a pullback the next day, and then it's been higher 1, 2, 3, 4 days in a row. So this is still a very bullish chart. So we can see Intel's up 32% year to date already. So I'm up 18% in my buy from last week. The chart of the day idea is up 20%. But what we've got on the chart now, all the moving averages, we've got 5 rising daily moving averages. The 50-day moving average, which is the red line, is starting to turn up. But overall, this is a bullish chart. So if we take a look longer term, so this will give you a really big picture. So Intel right now, 48.72. This, if we draw a line here, it goes all the way back to the year 2000. So this screen, this chart shows going all the way back even further than 2000. But so here's where we're at. $50 is a key level, 50 to 52. So if we open up this chart, we can see the stock failed at $52 in 2023. And we can see $50 is right here where the cursor is. So it failed at 52. Then the next month it tried and it failed at 50. And then it went all the way down to the $18 to $20 range. So if this stock can clear 50 to 52, and it does have some good upside momentum right now, but if Intel can close 50 to 52, then the natural next target on the screen is $60 a share. And I don't make predictions. I'm a trend follower, but what I do is I pay attention to what the key technical levels are, whether it's support or resistance, and then I know where my next targets are. So really, if we clear 50 to 52, 60 would be the first stop. And then if this really gets some momentum, we could look at higher. So, I'm not predicting that whatsoever. I follow the trends. Obviously, right now we can see Intel's in an uptrend, so I'm long. We've got a position here. So if you want to learn more about what I do at Blue Chip Daily, my website is bluechipdaily.com. If you scroll down to the middle of the page, there's a tab that says see 2026 recent trade alerts and select best ideas. And if you click onto that button, it'll take you to some samples of some work that I've done, some recent buys or sells that we've got, some alerts that we've made for subscribers. And obviously, if you want to join the site, $59 a month, $4.99 a year. You can cancel renewal at any time. You'll get access to my private Twitter page where I post best ideas every day and the entire website. So Intel is working so far. It's got a bullish chart. Could be extended here, obviously, in the near term. I don't try to make near-term market calls. I focus more on the overall trend, and the trend here is higher. So I'd like to see if we can get through that 50 to 52 level, and if so, where we go from there. So I appreciate your time, and I hope to see you on our website soon.